Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Lincoln MKX, and if your AC compressor doesn't work, your AC doesn't blow cold air guys, we'll show you which fuse to check first. Now it's very important guys to check fuses, relays. In today's video guys we'll be doing the fuse, but in addition guys we have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel guys, like the video, leave a comment below and let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So first guys, you need to open the hood of your vehicle. Second guys, okay, we have two fuses that we need to check. So now guys, next to your car battery, this is your car battery, you have a fuse box, okay, right here. So you can see there is one clip that we need to push back, and then we need to lift the front end up, and you can actually disconnect that cover just by twisting it a little bit and coming out. Now make sure you stay until the end, because there is two fuses. If you guys need to buy replacement fuses, we'll have the links in the description of the video below, and you can get them for a really good price. Good news, you have the fuse numbers on the back of the cover. Bad news, you don't know what they mean. So that's what we'll be clarifying today, which two fuses are guys for the AC clutch. So first one guys, okay, that we will be doing today will be fuse number 35 guys. Okay, fuse number 35. And looking at the box, okay, here, okay, you can see how it goes to 30, 31, 32, 34, and then you have 35 right here guys on top. It's supposed to be guys that 35 fuse, it's supposed to be a 10 fuse, okay, and it is this fuse, okay, right here. That's the fuse guys that we're trying to get to. So what I'll do guys, the replacement fuses that we bought actually come with a fuse puller, so that's super convenient. Sometimes it's hard to get to those little things because they're next to a relay or something, okay, and we'll just go ahead and pull it out. Now I'll go ahead, replace it guys with a new one, okay, right there, and push it in. Now the second fuse guys that could be bad, okay, the second fuse that we're checking now, okay guys, will be fuse number 56. Okay, that's actually it's it's known as diode guys, not a fuse. And 56 guys, okay, it's right here, so it's that little guy right there. We have those guys listed in the description of the video below as well, okay, where you can buy them. It's pretty much like a fuse, you can grab it and pull it out, okay. And if that is bad, your AC will not work as well. So we'll have that one guys listed in the description of the video below. Again, if you need it, please do guys check it out. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you guys having that problem. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.